How to mark audio beats in After Effects. Let's get into it. Start by right-clicking your audio, select Keyframe Assistant, convert audio to keyframes. Select the audio amplitude file, then press U on your keyboard. Then shift-select the left and right channels and delete both of these. Then click into the slider, click into the graph editor, and this is going to bring up all the data for your beats. I'm going to focus on this area where I can clearly see there are some beats. To create a marker, just simply move your playhead to where the beat is, and then come over to this little marker tool here and click onto it. This will create your first marker. All you need to do is continue to repeat this process over the beats that you see in your audio. Now, as we can see there, we've added a bunch of markers here. If you made a mistake and need to delete markers, you can just simply right-click them and then choose delete this marker or delete all markers if you want to start again. With your markers added, you can come out of the graph editor and you will still see the markers right here. Now, if we click on the drop down of this audio and come into the waveform and play this back, we can see that the markers correspond with the beat drops. And that's all there is to it.